Oh shoot, it's working. Cool, cool, cool. All right, nice stuff. Sick. Okay. I definitely need the flip feature though, so okay. All right. So first thing we need to do is we need to do this. So reset the rotation. Cool. And then, okay, so I'm going to be adding the ability to flip sprites because right now in my tile map editor, can the stream see it? Let me see. Should be able to see it, yeah. Let me actually add my overlay. I have an overlay that makes it so it, yeah, there we go. Okay. Cool. So right now I can like place my blocks, but and I can also place my like torches here, but then I can rotate them and rotate them. But I want to be able to flip them, like actually flip the image itself. So for that, I'm gonna have to implement a new feature. So that'll be cool. This is my tile map editor, by the way. It's fully customizable. So yeah. Anyways, in config, we need to actually. I don't need to change anything in config. I can just implement it here. Or I can say, yeah, okay, so flip will flip the image. So we need to add a state, which should be in the states here. So yeah, self.flipped equals false. And then I think all I need to do is just add something. Oh, how would I implement flipped? That's such an interesting. I'd have to add a unique number. Because I can add rotations right now, but flipping's weird. I could just do like I just increase the number by 0.5. So I can do if event handler dot key down by k underscore f. This will flip the sprite, I guess, or yeah. Toggle flip self.flipped equals not self.flipped. Cool. And then with this, I could do some cool stuff. Oh, I guess the window would like cover up everything. Okay, so if it's flipped when I do create one, I have to take into account this, which is, it's getting a little bloated. I should have written this all in one file, but I was lazy, so okay. What I'll do is I'll simply I'll add 0.5 to it, I believe. I should do that, yeah. I'll add 0.5. Yeah, okay, I can do that. It is getting a little bit clunky, but that should be okay, right? Yeah, okay, so whenever I'm placing, then what I have to do is I can just say if self dot flipped, then image equals pygame dot transform dot flip, and I just want to flip on the x-axis. The y-axis, I don't think I would. I guess I would need it for that too. I could do that one for G, but then how would I even do that? Ooh, that's really difficult actually, because I'd have to represent it in data like this, which is quite difficult. So I might actually just have like a feature in auto. I might just have like a feature in my actual game itself that would do it, because the flipping could be a little awkward. Yeah, I'm gonna do, okay, so in Paint here, do my little sketching out, okay. So I'm gonna have my regular value for it, like 1, and then I'm going to add rotation to it, which could be up to 0.3. But I need to add 0.5 to represent that it's flipped. So then if the decimal value of this is greater than 0.5, that means it's flipped. But I need another way to detect what direction is flipped. So maybe I can add a 0 or a 1 here, and the 0 means X, 1 means Y. I'd have to completely rethink how I parse these, because right now I'm parsing them and rounding them to the nearest 10th, which is what's getting me this. Also, floating points with this would probably be unreliable. Although I guess it would take a lot more to do that. So I can do that, where 1 represents X or 0 represents X, 1 represents Y. Okay, so I can do flipped X equals false, and then do self.flipped Y equals false, and then I'm gonna do G and H, or F and G for those. So I can do self.flipped X equals not self.flipped X. If event handler dot key down, by getting a K underscore G, toggle y-axis flip. Oh. Oh, it seems to be struggling. Why is it struggling?